Look, come here. Look at this. Hey YouTube, it's me again. Got some chemtrails for you today. This is earlier today. Today is the 30th of October. This is around 1 or 2 o'clock. I figured I'd just film the clouds real quick because they looked a little odd to me. Basically, this is just to show that in my area where I'm having these sightings that there's just a lot of odd things going on. I've been watching chemtrail videos for a while now along with UFO footage, and I've seen kind of like the two run hand in hand to each other. I've noticed there's a lot of chemtrails around a lot of areas that UFOs are reported. Basically, while I was filming, I saw this, I'm not sure if it's Army, Air Force, whoever. It's a military plane flying over with camouflage, similar to like the plane you see in the ads. It's not a normal thing for this area. There is an airport in Cranston, Rhode Island, which isn't far. It's about 15, maybe 20 minutes away by car. But we don't often see military crafts. The closest space that we could find a military craft taking off from would be Hanscom Air Force Base in Lexington, Massachusetts, I believe, which is about an hour and a few minutes away. I'd say a little bit over an hour away. And here's some more chemtrails. Basically, they seemed a little odd colored to me, so that's why I kept filming. And if you notice the layovers in the film, this is over the course of about a half an hour, the whole thing. I basically just shortened up the film. This is the left as far as I can go before the trees and the house block my view, and then to the right about as far as I can go before the house blocks my view. So this is where you see the sightings I've been filming. If you notice, there's really not much activity out here. That's the projects that you see I talk about, and that's the horizon of the trees. Basically, I mean, every plane that's passed by here in the last hour or so had left a chemtrail as I was walking home. That's what led me to filming this. I don't understand why I'm the one that's seeing so many oddities around here over most people, unless they're seeing it and just not documenting it. But I do see there's oddities. As you notice, the sky started basically turning a peach pink color as the chemtrails broke up in the sky. That also did not seem normal, though I've seen red skies at night. As they say, red sky at night, the sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, the sailors take warning. My grandfather used to tell me that. But basically, this red sky at night doesn't seem like it's any sort of delight to me, due to the fact that I'm watching chemtrails break open and basically poison the nation. I believe there's chemicals that are released into the air, and that's why this supposed condensation lays in the air so long. Condensation should change, break up, and disappear at a rapider pace than what I see from these chemtrails. I can't fully explain what's going on. I know there are companies like Raytheon and other companies that are involved in this, but I am not 100% sure what it is they're doing. Being made. Look, come here. Look at this. It's a new chemtrail being made, but look at it. That's crazy. I won't say that there's not supposed to be things like this in the sky, but on a basis of how often there are things like this in the sky, something tells me that this isn't right. I believe in my own heart that there are people out there that will do evil, vicious things to find out other things. We're basically, in my eyes, lab rats, test dummies. We're first subjects of testing new chemicals through sources of the air. Our whole city gets sick at one time. How does that happen? Is everyone kissing each other? Are we all in the clubs together drinking off each other's drinks? Not that I believe. I believe it's something much bigger. We all get sick at the same time. We mostly heal at the same time. And they offer things like flu shots that you actually don't know what's in it. Test dummies. And I'm gonna try. It's right here being made right now. There is the possibility all that I'm seeing, saying, and believing is not anything at all. There is also the possibility that everything I'm seeing, saying, and believing is 100% true. Basically, you take it upon yourself, add up your own mathematics, and you get whatever it is you get from it. I'm just here to show it to you. Thank you.